How to fix network connectivity issue. Error on World app. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the World app error that says network connectivity issue. If you keep seeing this message, just follow along step by step and I'll help you get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or that your mobile data is working properly. A weak connection is often the main reason this error shows up. If your internet looks fine, the next step is to restart the World app. On most phones, just swipe up to close it from your recent apps, then open it again to see if the error is gone. Still seeing the error? Let's clear the app cache. If you're on Android, open Settings, scroll down to Apps or Apps and Notifications, then tap Manage Apps and find World app in the list of installed apps. You can scroll or just use the search bar to find it faster. Tap it, then go to Storage and Cache. Here, tap Clear Cache, then Confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your account, it just resets the app's saved data on your phone. Now check if the app needs an update. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for World app, and if you see an update button, install it. Updates usually fix bugs and connection issues, and if none of that works, the final step is to uninstall and reinstall World app. Delete it completely, then download a fresh copy from the Play Store or App Store. This removes any corrupted files and gives you a clean start. As a bonus tip, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot clears temporary glitches and can fix the error right away. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the network connectivity issue error on World app and get everything working normally again.